What's up, blockchain? Daily news. Okay, let's jump right into it. How EMP Money makes continuous earning on crypto possible. EMP Money offers multiple ways of earning crypto coins. Okay, it's probably staking, farming, or something like that. But interest on your funds that you staking or whatever. Yield is another term for it. NFTs and restaurants. A match made in gastronomic heaven. Okay. Well, NFTs are gonna eventually be used all over the place. Nomad breach hack leads to first decentralized looting. So Nomad breach hack leads to first decentralized looting. Several different hackers stole nearly $200 million in funds. This is ridiculous. It's on the Cardano blockchain, I think it was. But your first decentralized looting or hack, successful hack. Is that true? I'm not sure if that's true. But yeah, I mean, they're lucky. They're lucky to have made so much money if they get away with it, because overnight they are millionaires, more than millionaires. Lucky bastards, but obviously this is criminal and wrong to do this. Hopefully they don't get away with it, and they are criminal and wrong to do this. If they do get away permanently, hopefully they use those funds for good. Bastards. Anyway, 5 ways to earn crypto coins with Avagotchi. A guide to show the diversity of the Gotchiverse and its wider ecosystem. Okay. Just want to check here quickly. Play to earn. So I think it's a good project, Avagotchi. Muse NFT album, a first for the music charts. So British rock band Muse will release their 9th studio album, Will of the People, as an NFT. The band will use a new format, digital pressing. The new digital format will make it the first chart-eligible NFT album, which is a world first for the music industry. Good for them. Good for them. Brilliant. 5 best NFT marketplaces to trade, buy and sell. Well, it depends on the blockchain as well. It's not just one blockchain. A lot of people are now creating their NFTs, while others are interested in buying or collecting NFTs. Well, there's different blockchains. There's Solana, Cardano, Ethereum, even the Ripple network, XRP ledger. Quite a few others as well already. This week on there's not much about that. High Street World partners with Animoca brands on initial home offering. This August, the retail-focused Metaverse project takes a big step forward with the announcement of residences for sale and a landmark partnership. Is this retail-focused Metaverse project, is this the digital land residences? Virtual, is that what they're talking about? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. See this Euros introduces apartments. That's what I covered yesterday briefly as well. Cetus Euros is introducing the apartments with its within its universe. These living areas are very crucial aspects of its virtual world. Okay. Apartments, they offer an avenue to preserve valuable household items that serve specific purposes. Cetus Euros. So this is something I would check out, definitely. Seems pretty cool. And this is just is in the metaverse, is all these different kinds of solutions, functions and so on. It's just going to evolve more and more and more and better, become better. But yeah, anyone doubts that metaverses has the metaverse concept and metaverses doesn't have a, or that doubt that it has a huge future is completely wrong. They don't know what they're talking about. Run now. IO and Hawaii present challenge. What challenge is 1 million steps for a healthier world. Run now and Hawaii. So it's a app, movement app, exercise app, where you can possibly earn tokens. Yeah. Anyway, UFO Gaming launches its staking dApp. Covered it briefly yesterday too. UFO Gaming, a fully decentralized intergalactic social gaming platform, unveils its staking dApp today, July 29th. Well, that was not today. With details and tutorials on how to participate. Okay. So, yeah, you can earn yield on whatever you're staking. So, earn Marine Pet NFTs lifetime rewards on Aqua Tank Metaverse. Fusion event returns to Thetan Arena in August. The first mobile e-sport game metaverse, Thetan Arena, has announced the return of its Fusion event. The event was first launched in May and it enjoyed a huge acceptance among the community members. Okay, sounds cool. Wanaka Farm deploys Marketplace version 2. Okay. Animoca announces Tower token earning event. Don't know what the Tower token is about. Phantom Galaxies issues. What is it? Phantom Galaxies issues grind to city guide. Phantom Galaxies. I think it's a play to earn game. Pretty sure it is. Coinery introduces a new supercharged racers game, Fantasy Racing. Fantasy Racing. Yeah, but what are you racing? Because I'm mostly interested in racing cars and flying stuff. That's about it. Okay, Minds of Delarnia set to hold minor skin concept art. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what's happening. It's too much happening, so let's just not cover too much of it. Okay. Kim Kardashian legal team files motion to dismiss Ethereum Max crypto lawsuit. No comment. Sygnum Bank expands staking to Cardano. Digital asset bank Sygnum has expanded its staking portfolio to the Cardano blockchain's native token ADA. This Sygnum Bank must be a crypto project, in my opinion. I don't think it's outside of crypto. I don't think so. Lblock V2 token launching on MEX. See now. What is Lblock? Lucky Block. Lucky Blocks. Lblock began trading on it. Okay, what is Lucky Block? It's a decentralized game project that rewards token owners who purchase some of the non-fungible NFTs made accessible by the developing team to take part in various competitions with prices ranging from a Lambo or $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Pretty cool. Euro dollar and a money printer with, okay, euro dollar money printer. Euro dollar. Is that a website? Let's check. I don't know. Euro dollar and a money printer. It's about macro, what they're doing with money printing. Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidate. Sell accelerates. Celsius. Why? Okay, Bitcoin traders pinpoint key levels to watch as BTC price tests key trend lines. Yeah, don't just do technical analysis. Macroeconomic conditions are heavily influencing the crypto market at the moment. It's one of the reasons why it's a bear market. The 200-week moving average is just one of a series of lines in the sand for Bitcoiners to keep their eye on this week. Okay. Okay. SEC charges founders and promoters of alleged $300 million Ponzi scheme. Alleged Ponzi scheme. Forsage, the individuals behind the project, managed to solicit over $300 million from investors globally. Yeah, you'll get criminals, always in life. Nomad token breach raided for $190 million in frenzied free-for-all. Frenzied free-for-all. I mean, wow. Not right, but holy cow. Okay. Ancient Bitcoin address awakens by suddenly moving 1,110 Bitcoin. That's interesting. Okay, so did they move it to an exchange or just to another non-custodial wallet, which might make sense or not, but to an exchange, maybe, to trade with it, or maybe anticipating that Bitcoin is going to rocket up. It's not impossible, but yeah, soonish. Binance US set to delist AMP token after SEC terms it as security. Binance, don't bend the knee. Metaverse market share to surpass 50 billion by 2026. Incorrect. This 50 billion is a gross understatement. Okay, Singapore's central bank, let's just see what they say. Yeah, incorrect. Singapore's central bank to consult public for stablecoin regulations. Yeah, if they consulted me, it would be don't regulate. You have no say in regulation. Leave it up to the crypto community. The risks involving stablecoins. Yeah, the risks involved in stablecoins is the risks to the establishment losing their power over the 99%. It's as simple and bluntly stated as that. Brazilian soccer giant settles soccer deal transfer with 8 million in USDC. 1.4 billion Matic tokens issued in just 1 hour. Price reacted with 6% fall. Well, okay. Is that normal today? Is it was it normal scheduled release or what? Issuance. How many employees are allocating paycheck portion to Bitcoin? Hopefully more and more. Steve Cohen exits investment in crypto prop trading firm Ratcle. The feedback NFT collection to be listed on XT NFT. XT.com. NFT marketplace or what? Probably. Bitcoin stablecoins can't solve global payment woes, ECB study says. European Central Bank. The European Central Bank, a couple of things. They're corrupt, they retards, and they power hungry, and sociopaths. So whatever they say about crypto cannot be taken seriously, ever. Bitcoin stablecoins can't solve global payment woes. Yes, it can. Just XRP alone can, and Bitcoin can, and stablecoins can. If some of it not right now, yeah, with some upgrades and extra functionality, etc., evolution of the projects, yes, definitely. But that's this statement here is a statement to they fear to losing power. That's why they're saying things like this, including the fact that they don't understand blockchain, crypto, etc. They're not smart enough. They don't have the brains. As simple as that. Tether's USDT circulating supply seeks uptick after 3 consecutive months of declines. Polygon releases 1.4 billion Matic tokens from vesting contract. So it's a vesting contract. Okay, so it sounds like it's scheduled. Okay, probably healthy for the project. NFT project for the blockchain. NFT project spotlight Society of the Hourglass and its kid-friendly cartoons. Okay, kid-friendly. Cool. Crypto exchange Luno wins regulator registration in France. Not interested in Luno. ETH options open interest surpasses BTCs as Bitcoin goes below 24k. NFT exchange Magic Eden expands to Ethereum. Magic Eden. The leading Solana-based NFT platform is Magic Eden, is taking a swing at Ethereum's top-heavy NFT ecosystem, which has been dominated by rival marketplace OpenSea, which has had a lot of its own problems. So yeah. Okay, so Hector Network, an upgraded platform that reflects an expanding ecosystem. Hector DAO has undergone a prolific revamp and has rebranded into Hector Network. Okay. Complies with any foreseeable regulations. Why do you want to comply? Why do you want to comply? Why do you want to comply? Do you know what type of people are the people that want to regulate you? If you knew, you would think twice about wanting to comply. Yes, an idea. Create a crypto community regulation framework. Okay. DAO based or not, but okay. And then consult the crypto community regulation framework for complying to crypto community regulatory frameworks regulations, okay, which the crypto community controls. No centralized control. Yeah. Terra Luna retakes top spot of most trending crypto as traders bet on price rise. Most traded crypto. It's interesting. AMP dives as Binance.us unveils its delisting following the SEC claim that it is a security. The SEC doesn't know what the SEC is talking about. All they're doing is they the first what do you call them? The SEC is not the boss. The boss of the SEC is pulling the strings. The boss of the SEC is telling the SEC what to do. And the boss of the SEC is the global elite. And that includes their companies, organizations, corporates like BlackRock, JP Morgan, etc., etc., et al. It's them who see XRP as a threat and the crypto space as a threat, especially the decentralized crypto space, and via the SEC they're trying to label the entire crypto space as securities because they see it as a threat, and that's the primary reason. The secondary reason, they don't know what they're talking about because they're not really smart. All of those that I just mentioned are not really smart people. Yeah, so what Kazakhstan, all they're good at is controlling and regulating and force everyone and forcing everyone to do what they want everyone to do. That's all they're good at. New amendments. What's Kazakhstan's new tax regime means for the crypto mining industry? What do you want to tax? SmartLend, SmartLend.finance, secure and audited stablecoin lending. Okay, I guess that's good. BTC USD still lacking upward bias. Okay. Crypto weekly roundup. Ethereum's Goodly merged Miami's NFT project. Coinbase, Kraken under investigation. Kraken and they'll try to investigate the hell out of the entire crypto space. The Goodly merge is this the main merge? I'm not too sure. Bitcoin pauses as crypto market cools down. Tiffany announces CryptoPunk necklaces. Yes, I briefly covered that yesterday. Is PayPal's crypto project in danger? I wouldn't touch it with a stick. Bitcoin ceded some recent gains early in the Asian session as the pair fell back below that. Well, for day traders and short-term traders, cool to know these things. Two mighty financial organizations that hate crypto. I wonder who could that be? Maybe I've mentioned them here and there. Bitcoin hodlers holding strong but no new demand yet. And why would they hate on crypto? Bitcoin hodlers holding strong but no new demand yet. Long-term holders of Bitcoin. Hold on for dear life. Metaverse games. Investment of Sony and Kirkby in Epic for a reliable future of digital entertainment. Well, we don't need these big conglomerates to invest in metaverse games, because we'll have an awesome future of digital entertainment and gaming with metaverse games, metaverses created by the crypto community themselves. So, yeah. Chainlink price analysis. Link crashes to $7.1. Okay. Front funds. The new Matic sensation shows a glimpse of its what? UK's FCA introduces stricter guidelines to combat misleading crypto ads. No, it's just all about control. You see crypto as a threat, and if you see something to regulate, you just want to regulate. You don't have more brain cells than that. Besides your sociopathy and narcissism. Luxury brand Tiffany & Co. unveils CryptoPunk NFT themed jewelry. Cool. Yeah, I covered that short while ago. Craig Wright awarded £1. I think it's 1 million in damages in the Peter McCormick case. What's that about? Or is it really £1? Around the block with yeah. Jefferson Nunn interview with Carlos. What's this about? Interview with Carlos Guthrie of Fair Labs. Fair Labs. Not sure what Fair Labs is. Israel sets new cash transaction limits to foster digital payments. Oh yeah, just look the other way. I mean, that's not a human rights violation at all. SEC charges 11 individuals in 300 million crypto Ponzi scheme for Sage. Okay, cool. Celsius continues to sink deeper into controversy. Poloniex Exchange unveils new trading system for better user experience. That's cool. I like Poloniex. ETH options open interest surpasses BTCs as Bitcoin goes below 24k. Coinbase facing SEC probe over offering securities. No, Coinbase is not offering securities. Back off, SEC. It's not your space to regulate. You're outdated and you're corrupt and you need to back off. Kraken facing investigation over sales to Iran. Isn't it their right? Bill tabled to scrap tax for crypto purchases up to $50. Well, just tax crypto left and right, the hell out of crypto. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, is there? I mean, if you make it law, it's fine, isn't it? Not. F1 teams covered up crypto logos to avoid regulatory backlash, so they bend the knee. Shame. Shame. Where's all the, soy boys in the F1 teams? Bending the knee. Or is it top management or owners of the F1 teams? Shame. Crypto is an essential tool of Ukraine's defense. Cool. I mean, why not? Cool. Why did Mt. Gox payouts take so long? Yeah, good question. Very good question. Very long time. Coinflex cuts workforce by over 50%. Bear market, global macroeconomic conditions. Binance compliance chiefs hit back at Reuters accusations. Yeah, well, Reuters. I mean, it's Reuters, Craig Wright filed deliberately false evidence in £1 victory. Sounds like £1 victory. Or is it £1 a company? I don't know. For Sage founders charged by SEC, yep. Argentine football team but penalized for accepting USDC for player. Penalized by who? By some douchebag. Orc person people. Who just want, no comment. Avalanche price analysis. AVAX prices remain bearish, a strong rejection at 25.15 take shape. Okay, cool. Uniswap price analysis. Uni USD in strong bearish grip as price slides down to $8.28. Avalanche, Bitcoin price. Bitcoin starts August on muted note as price oscillates near 23k. Polkadot price analysis. DOT declines 9% as seller pressure increases. Cardano price analysis. ADA steps down to $0.495 as bears gain momentum. By the dip, by the dip, by the dip, dollar cost averaging DCA. Chainlink, not financial advice. Good advice, but not financial advice. Do your own research. Chainlink price analysis. Link crashes to $7.1. Vold granted creditor protection for 3 months. Litecoin price analysis. LTC remains consistent with bearish dynamics at 57.04. So Litecoin. Dollars. Apparently, yeah, Litecoin is from a fork of Bitcoin, if I remember correctly, and Dogecoin is from a fork of Litecoin, if I understand or remember correctly. Nomad lost $190 million in decentralized robbery. Unbelievable. I still can't believe this. I mean, it's wrong. But holy flippin' cow. If they get away with that money, they better do good things with that money. That's all I can say. Polkadot price analysis. Dot prices hold price, above 7.86 bearish market. Cardano staking now accessible at the Swiss Signum Bank. Avalanche price analysis. Yeah, did that already. Ethereum swiftly drops below 1,600, targets 1.5 next, probably. Yeah, and Coinbase Prime brings Ethereum staking to use institutional clients. Coinbase Prime brings Ethereum staking to use institutional clients. I mean, do they even know what it means? Daily crypto, and yeah, already did that. Sold almost 500. Ripple sold almost $500 million of XRP in Q2, quarter 2, 2022. VeChain onboards Amazon Web Services. Wow. AWS for blockchain carbon management. Wow. Blockchain.com wins registration next to parent firm on the Cayman Islands. Wins registration. Okay. Italy, France, Netherlands, Dubai. Dubai is the place to be. Ledger reportedly seeking additional $100 million in funding. Cold storage for crypto liquidity concerns. It's liquidity concerns. Why didn't I think about this beforehand? Should Filecoin investors give up on buy experience, not things attitude? Buy experience, not things. Do both. Google AI turns all 10,000 BAC NFTs into machine-made art. Google recreated Bored Ape Yacht Club into machine-made paintings. Okay, interesting. And then just this, how to assess value on NFTs. There are many NFT formats from which to choose. The most well-known is in the realm of digital art, but NFTs is also come in games, collectibles, PFPs, metaverse assets, big, huge. Music, big, huge. Digital land, huge, especially in metaverses. Historical artifacts and utility, huge. Be assured the list will continue to grow. Yep. What is Bitcoin dominance? When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, many investors look towards trading indicators like Bitcoin dominance to determine the overall market sentiment and the likelihood of a trend to change. Yep. It's the big brother of the crypto space at the moment. Probably will be forever. Blockchain crash courses. Also check out our, I'm not, but it's probably because it's all very new to me. I'm a new YouTuber in terms of doing these videos and YouTube channels. So I'm not self-promoting enough. In fact, I've rarely done it, just maybe with the links. But anyway, we JP Courses is our online course business. Please go check it out for our couple of blockchain development related courses there. We are planning a hell of a lot more crypto and blockchain related courses. Okay. So yeah, cool. And we have 3 channels. So blockchain crash courses, Web3 crash course, Web3 yeah, if you're a web developer, Solidity yes, definitely, DeFi applications, blah blah blah. Cool. Exploring Seek VR and the Seek token. So Seek VR is a blockchain-powered virtual reality platform that connects artists and content creators in the metaverse. Really cool. Content creators in the metaverse. That's interesting. I would like to check this out. So, top blockchain as a service providers. Blockchain as a service providers are emerging as the adoption of blockchain continues. They promise to make building, deploying, and managing decentralized networks, games, and applications more accessible for individual developers and enterprise scale requirements. However, many are unaware of what BaaS providers are and what they actually accomplish. If you'd like to discover more about what they are and explore some of the blockchain as a service providers available today, read on. You can Google that, I'm sure. Okay. Lots of developers would probably be interested and wise to check this out. Wannabe developers as well, newbie developers. Why businesses should adopt a hybrid DAO model. Decentralized autonomous organizations, huge future, can impact civilization hugely. And what I just said is an understatement. DAOs are commonplace in crypto and DeFi. They help to automate decision making and increase transparency. However, this type of community governance is not always practical for businesses. Yes, it is. It just needs to evolve. It will be the best way of managing governance. Best way. On the other hand, the hybrid DAO models caters to all kinds of businesses and organizations. Yeah, anyway, so cool. That's it for today. Please share this video with your network if you can. We'll appreciate it. And subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. I know for those that are not logged into YouTube via their Google account or YouTube, the Google and YouTube is the same. They're the same, so your Google account will log you into YouTube automatically. Google email account, whatever, and that's how you subscribe. You can't subscribe if you're not logged in. So, yeah, your support will be very much appreciated for the growth of our 3 channels and also our online course business. So if you don't mind, you're not logged in, please log in so that you can subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.